I started losing my hair about 28 years old. Noticed some thinning, some receding hairline. It just was really difficult to see, myself losing hair. I started using Rogaine. I started using Propecia. I did the shampoos, and nothing really worked. I was tired of not having hair. I was tired of wearing a bandana. I was tired of wearing hats. Every time I'd go to a job interview, specifically, I would say, "Can you wear hats? Can you wear bandanas?" And if they said no, I would actually pass up on that job. And to me, that was very important because looking down, looking up, I would always think about that spot, that missing spot of hair, and someone's gonna notice it. It would give me anxiety. When I saw Alvi Armani, I just said, well, this is really quality work. This is a company who really takes care of their patients. The doctor's always there to watch over stuff, and the team is just a bunch of hair transplant rock stars.
I work with an amazing team. No one person can do this without having good people around them. It's special because it means that the work that you've done, that your team and you have done in collaboration with the patient, is impactful. It has a purpose.
There's some people you could just feel their energy, a very positive, strong energy. And when I sat with Dr. Baubach, I could feel his energy, and it was so relaxing. It was almost like I was in yoga class, but for hair, called hair yoga. It was a very Zen-like experience. The way he approached my procedure was very artistic and very professional and very calming. The doctor was absolutely amazing because he really took the time to look at my hairline and see what hair direction we need to go in. And he wasn't, gonna say we had to do less or do more. He ultimately wanted me to be happy.
Collaborating with patients is very important because you can have someone that wants a different look, and then it's my responsibility to guide them as to how that's going to look in the future. And still, if they're okay with it, this is their look for the rest of their life, and we execute that.
When I go to get my hair cut, I sometimes kind of weigh it out to see if they notice anything. And while they're combing my hair, they go, "You got great hair." I go, "Thank you." And then I'll give it a pause just to see if they say any little thing. And all of a sudden I'll say, "You know what? That's a hair transplant." And when they see it and I show them, they go, "It's unbelievable." And it's breathtaking. And that reaction is just so fulfilling. It's absolutely amazing. I go to work now with a smile on my face, ready to kick some butt, ready to crush it, not worried about my hairline, not worried about if I bend down at the gym and pick a weight up if someone sees my bald spot. If I see somebody, I smile at them. If a girl looks at me, I smile back at her and I feel confident. If you're looking to get a hair transplant, I highly suggest coming to Alvi Armani. It'll change your life, change your attitude, change your personality, and also you'll be happy.